Namaskar. Is yoga all about a religion? Is it a propaganda of Hinduism, or is it something that everyone can do? I will not do yoga because I am a Muslim. I will not do yoga because I am a Christian. Is that your question? And if that is your question, then the answer is in today's video. My name is Sujit. I'm the founder of Sujit Sutra Varanasi. I've been teaching yoga across the globe for the last 10 years. And this is one very common question that I receive from a lot of my clients. Is yoga a religion? Is it something that Hindus do? And here is my reason that yoga is not a religion. Point one, when I see any religion, maybe Islam, maybe Hinduism, maybe Christianity, every religion is promising you about heaven, hell, or a judgment day. That's what the promises that they make. Yoga is not making you any promise. Yoga is about being present right now, in the now, nowhere else. So it is not promising that if you do yoga, you'll become, someone enlightened. It just says, just be there, be present. Point two, yoga is not about praying to any particular god. In yoga, we are not praying any god, we are not meditating on a particular god, we are just meditating. So meditation can be on any form. It can be a formless, it can be formless. You can meditate on a statue. It can be formless. You can just meditate on the light. So that's again why yoga is not a religion. The third thing, it is not something very, what we call in Hindi, kattar. It's not rigid. It's flexible. It's flexible. It is inclusive of everything. You come from any path of life, you come from any segment of life, yoga is inclusive to you. And that's the reason it is not a religion. I hope this clears your doubt about why yoga is not a religion and why you can choose yoga irrespective if you are of any religion, age, gender, caste. You can still do yoga. Do let me know how do you like, how you find this video. Please like and drop a comment in the comment segment. And if you have any other questions, drop it there. I'll surely make sure that I answer those questions. Thank you and namaste.